This SanDisk Extreme 256GB microSD card plus SD adapter saves me time transferring high-res images and videos. As you can see, it is safely packaged to prevent tampering and damage. We're just going to take a pair of scissors to open it up. This card is compatible with Android devices, and for myself, I bought it specifically for my Canon camera. It supports read speeds up to 160 megs per second and can write up to 90 megs per second. And this A2 version is supposed to be for faster performance. Although I have never tested it, this is supposed to be waterproof, withstand extreme temperatures, is shockproof, and even X-ray proof. The microSD card, as you can see, is quite small and has an indication on the front to let you know what capacity it holds. The SD adapter, of course, is a bit bigger and has a thin slot for you to insert the microSD card into. Once inserted, the entire SD adapter is ready to be inserted into your card slot on your device. In my case, it will go into my camera, replacing my existing 16 gig card.